Hey guys, today I'm back with yet another drink video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make some pineapple ginger turmeric drink, and this tastes really good, plus it's filled with several health benefits. So if you want to see how this gets made ROMA'S kitchen style, stick around right after this intro.
Y'all better can't cook. Ticket that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So of course I'm going to start off by using a pineapple. I'm only using one pineapple. I already washed the skin of my pineapple. I just used a brush and I scrubbed the outer part of my pineapple. And now I'm just going to be removing the top and the bottom parts of the pineapple because I do not want to use those parts, and I'm going to be discarding of these. Then now I'm going to be removing the skin of the pineapple because this is what will be used to make the drink. And I'm just going to remove the skin and remove those little parts, those little brown parts that are normally on the pineapple, without actually going too deep. So I'm going to try get these little things off, and I'm going to save all of these little trimmings because all these will also be used when I'm making the drink. And I'm just going to, have a little piece in the meantime. And this pineapple is actually very sweet. So that's that. I'm going to cut now my pineapple in about 4 pieces. And I'm going to be removing the core. This part of the pineapple, even though I'm not going to be eating the pineapple, I'll be using it in smoothies and so on. I'm going to be removing the core. And I'm just going to add this to my pineapple skin, the trimmings and so on, because I'll actually use the core in making the pineapple drink. And I'm just going to do this for all pieces of the pineapple. Good, and now I'm just going to cut the pineapple into some smaller pieces, and I'm going to just rest this in the fridge for future use. So here I have now all the parts of the pineapple that I actually want to use to make the pineapple drink: the skin, the core, and the little trimmings. In this pot I have around 8 cups of water, and the water is warm, and I'm just going to go in with the pieces of the pineapple skin, the core, and the little trimmings. And you want to add this in the water when the water is warm. You don't have to wait until the water is bubbling. You just want to ensure that the water is warm before you actually add, your pineapple skin, the core, and the shreddings in. Next, I'm going to be adding in just a half cup of ginger. I shredded the ginger, and a 1/4 cup of turmeric. I also shredded the turmeric, and guys, as you may know, turmeric and ginger are potent anti-inflammatories and antioxidants, so they're very good for our bodies. So adding these to your drink is actually a plus. So I'm just going to allow the water to keep on boiling while I get some more spices to actually add to my drink. So next I'm going to go in with just 2 bay leaves, or this might be 1 1/2, 1 1/4 bay leaf. Next, I'm going to add in 2 small cinnamon sticks. Then I'm going to go in with 6 cloves, and I just love the flavor, the little taste that the cloves actually give the drink. So now that everything is in that I want to use, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir this all around. Then I'm just going to cover the pot, and after covering the pot, I'm going to leave this to boil for just 20 minutes. 20 minutes is good enough to actually leave this to boil. And if you have a pot like mine, you might just want to cover the little opening that's on your pot cover, just like this, because after boiling for the 20 minutes, I'm going to turn the stove off, and I'm actually going to leave this to sit for at least 30 minutes, or you can leave it to sit until it has cooled down completely. 30 minutes later, I'm going to be straining mine. There is still a little steam coming out of mine. It's not hot, but it's just a little bit warm. You can allow yours to cool all the way down, but I'm just going to strain mine because it has been maybe a little over 30 minutes, and you can just discard of all of this. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to the sweetening process. So when you're thinking about sweetening your drink, remember this is a drink that you want all those health benefits. You do not want to fill this up with too much sugar. You can actually use the option of sweetening this with some natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, and so on. But I'm going to go in with actually just some brown sugar. And when you're adding your sugar or any type of sweetener to your drink, you want to add it a little at a time. In total, I'll be adding 1 1/3 cups of brown sugar, but I'll be adding it a little at a time. Just add it in and I'll mix that out. And once that has been dissolved, I'll give it a little taste. And if it's to my liking, I won't add any more. So you can just use that technique just so you do not, get this too sweet. So I'm just mixing out my sugar here, allowing it to just dissolve. And then I'll just continue to add in my sugar until I feel that, the sweetness is according to my liking. Then that will basically be it for your drink. Of course, you want to serve this chilled, so if you want to have this right away, ensure that your drink cools all the way down before you sweeten it, or if not, you can just go ahead and add some ice cubes to your drink so you can have a glass of your homemade pineapple turmeric ginger drink. It's filled with many benefits, and of course it tastes good. Nothing beats a glass of homemade drink. So if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.